Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will provide you a free Moody green preset for Photoshop for free. So why this tutorial till end? Because the preset file is password protected and the password will show in two parts in the corner of this video. So why this tutorial till end? And before watching, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. So let's start our video. First of all, open Photoshop and import your images. These are some images which I will use in this video tutorial. So first we will make that Moody green preset on our this image. So by select the background layer, press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer and then press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw. Now we will make our that preset in Camera Raw and then we will save our settings as a preset file. Then we will apply that presets on our other images. So now I have saved these settings as a preset file so that we can apply that presets on our other images. So now press OK. So this is the before image, this one is the after image. So now we will apply that preset on this image. Press Ctrl Shift A to open camera raw. Click here, select load settings. Select your Moody green preset, then select open. Then press OK. It will automatically color grade this image like this. Let's try it on another image. As you can see that how amazingly we edit these images perfectly. So if you want to download these presets, then check the link in the description of this video. And I hope you guys will like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And if you want to support my channel financially, then check my Patreon link in the description of this video. Goodbye.